Alright, bud. What are you in right now?
A plane.
Who made this airplane?
You and me.
Yeah, that's right. You want to show us around? What's this plane like?
It's like this, and it's like this, and like this, and like this, and like this, and like this.
So you got a seat in there?
I got a seat in here, a flat seat in here, and I got some drawings, and I got some swirlings, and got some drawings, and now I got some swirlings, and now I have to draw here.
And how do you steer the plane?
I steer the plane like this.
Oh, can you sit back like you're gonna fly and then steer the jet? Oh, looks like we gotta add more drawings.
We do use more drawings if we want.
Yeah, we can add more stuff to our wings too. You do that, bud?
There's some yellow.
Does that mean you gotta be careful?
Yeah. But I don't want some yellow.
Well, then maybe you should just go carefully but still go fast.
I want you to fly me up in the air.
You mean lift you up?
Hmm?
This is going to be difficult, but I will try. You got a marker on your face.